The change. The world accelerated. The tools evolved. But the classroom stood still in time. We wrote the future on a blackboard. We memorized the syntax. We called it education. But degrees became paper, code became memory, and innovation became a buzzword. The world kept moving, leaving us in the noise. The world doesn't need more graduates. It needs architects. Architects who don't just write code, but engineer intelligence. Who don't just pitch ideas, but build empires. Who understand that nature isn't an option, it is the blueprint. Who know that power isn't given, it is harvested. This is where the gap closes. This is where the future is forged. This is the Foundries for the future.